How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a Hickey step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you give a Hickey, you guys? It's very simple to do. All you do is you take your lips and then you suck on the area that you want to give the Hickey. 95% of Hickeys are on the neck because the neck is visible, there's no clothing on it, and it's at eye level. So like 95% Hickeys are on the neck. This works anywhere on the body. You can do chest, shoulder, back, doesn't matter. Anywhere on the stomach, it works. The main reason, like this sounds very simple, yet a lot of people struggle to give other people Hickeys. Why is that? It's because when you're giving the Hickey, you don't do it for a long enough period of time. Believe it or not, I've experimented with this. It takes 60 seconds of constant suction to give someone a Hickey. So if you suck on the neck for 10 seconds, it does not work. You will not be able to give someone a Hickey. It has to take 60 seconds to give someone a Hickey of constant suction. The minute you know it takes 60 seconds, you'll be able to give one any place, anytime. It's that simple to do. It just has to be done for about 60 seconds. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.